How do I measure the linear inch size of my luggage?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we're going to be talking about how to measure the linear inch size of your luggage. This is a very important aspect to know, especially if you're planning to travel by air, as most airlines have specific size restrictions for carry-on and checked luggage.
What is linear inch measurement?
First, let's understand what linear inches mean. The linear inch measurement of a suitcase is simply the sum of a bag's length, width, and height. So, it's the total of all three dimensions. It's an important measurement that airlines use to limit the size of the baggage you can bring on a plane.
How to measure your luggage?
Now, let's get into how to actually measure your luggage. 1. Measure the length. The length is usually the longest side of your suitcase. Start at one end, and measure to the other end, using a measuring tape. Note down this measurement. 2. Measure the width. Turn your suitcase to measure its width, which is usually the shorter side. Make sure to start from one end and measure to the other. Write down this measurement. 3. Measure the height. The height of your suitcase is the measurement from the bottom to the top of your bag. Don't forget to include the wheels and handle in your measurements, as airlines do when they measure your bag at the airport. Remember to measure all dimensions in inches to get the linear inch measurement.
Calculating the linear inches.
Once you have all three measurements, length, width, and height, simply add them together to find your suitcase's linear inch measurement. This is the number that airlines will look at when determining if your suitcase meets their size restrictions. For example, if your suitcase measures 22 inches long, 14 inches wide, and 9 inches high, your suitcase's linear inch measurement would be 45 linear inches, 22 plus 14 plus 9. And that's how you measure the linear inch size of your luggage. It's a simple process, but a very important one if you want to avoid any issues when traveling. So, before your next trip, take a few moments to measure your luggage. Always remember, better safe than sorry. We hope this video has been helpful. Safe travels!